Okay guys, here is the beautiful waterfall right behind me. It's a two-tier waterfall and looks stunning, gorgeous. Just now I have reached this place and I'll be scouting a little bit around this waterfall and try to find out some composition. So once I find a composition, I'll be showing you right in my camera. Okay guys, I have the waterfall right in front of me, as you have seen. So right now I have composed a composition. So here is the composition right in my camera. Right in front you can see this beautiful water cascades in the foreground and the midground area. Then you can have this waterfall falling from almost around 70-80 feet high. So it's a beautiful waterfall, and there is another waterfall right in the top corner. So it's a huge waterfall running. I have excluded the sky because again the sky is not looking good. The light is a little bit not coming in, and the sky is the cloud is very dark. So I'm very happy with this composition. So I'll be taking this image at f11 ISO of 100 and shutter speed of 0.5 second with my polarizer on. So if this image turns out to be any good, here is a shot. Now when we come for the waterfall photography, mostly in the Megalaya, the rocks are very slippery. The running water and the greenish moss covering makes it very slippery. So we need a proper footwear. We can confidently step our foot even in the slippery rock if we manage to have this proper footwear. So I usually use the cricket shoe, the spiky shoe. So right now I'm wearing this cricket spiky shoes. So I'm very confident enough to put on my step on the slippery rock as well. I don't find much difficulty while climbing up the rocks as well as climbing down the rocks. So it's very easy for me. Definitely who is coming for the first time in the Megalaya for the waterfall photography, definitely you need a proper footwear. So this is one suggestion from my video. Now I have the composition, another composition right in my camera. So again, I have the foreground. You can see right here in the foreground, the cascades are here running in the midground as well. Then I have this huge waterfall in the background. So I have again cut the sky as well, because and the sky is not looking much bright and not colorful at all. So I decided to cut off the sky again. Again, I'm taking this image at f10 of 100 and shutter speed of 0.5 seconds with the circular polarizer on. I'm focus taking this image and taking this image at f10. So if this image turns out to be any good, here is the shot. So guys, that was an awesome photography time I had, and definitely this waterfall is very new to me and very beautiful and gorgeous as well. This time I could not include the sky because again the sky is not very clear and it was a little hazy and dull. So next time I'll surely visit this place when the time is favorable, and hope to see you again in the next video in the next week. Till then, bye for now.